It's Chandel of the Craft Print, and in this video I'm going to show you how to print on 12 by 12 paper using your Epson Workforce 7720. If this video was helpful or you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So this image I have right here on the screen is a 12 by 12 image I created in Photoshop. So anytime you have your 12 by 12 image, you're going to go to File, and also I'm using an iMac to print. Right? You're going to go to print, then your printer settings are going to open up. So right here where it says paper size, you're going to hit the drop down, go to manage custom sizes. So right here where it says non-printable area, we're just going to choose our printer. I already have it saved, but you can just go to right here to add a new one. You can name it whatever you want to name it, and then go over to paper size. And now you're going to change that to 12 by 12. Hit OK. So you see page size is changed to 12 by 12. See that? And because we saved it, it's always going to be here for you to choose on the drop down. So now you go to Preview, Media, and Quality. And we're sending it to the rear tray because the 12 by 12 cannot fit into two front trays. Select the type of paper you're using. When I use the 65-pound cardstock, I usually choose heavyweight paper. And of course, you want the quality to be best. Then you hit print. It's going to send over to your printer. You see the little notification down here. And I'm going to print it out and show you guys what it looks like. Here is the 12 by 12 print. So that's how you set your Workforce 7720 to print on a 12 by 12 sheet of paper.